Hey guys, I'm Hassan with WTI, and we all know that some original parts of our appliances at home sometimes need replacement pieces. And so today I wanted to tell you everything about my LENNOX AC remote control replacement that is very similar to the original one. This one is universal, it has infrared, it has button controls, and I love that it comes with all the exact options the original remote control came with. It comes with the on and off button, max and min for the temperature. It comes with the mode button that allows me to set whatever mode I want, from really cold to humid. It also has the fan one, which allows me to modify how strong I want the fan to be, swing mode, I feel, the sleep mode. It has the option to set a timer, to turn on and off, the option to turn on and off the light of the unit. And so it basically comes with everything I need, and it looks exactly the same as the original one I had. It runs on two AAA batteries that are really easy to find anywhere, and I love how sturdy it is. So if your AC's remote control doesn't work anymore and you need a replacement, this one is a great option. It works really well for me, and that is my point of view.